So what we want to do, we want to have the similar feature, exactly the same shape, on the left side of this figure. So we will do this by selecting the tool under the feature, basically under the feature tools or feature menu. We will select the 3D mirror option, which is located on the upper right corner here next to the box. And notice that that's the icon. If you hold your mouse for a few seconds, you will notice that the notification on that explains what this tool is, like any other tools. So if you select that, it's going to ask you a few questions, very similar to 2D mirror, except that in this case you're going to select the plane rather than line for reference. So what's the first response is, or what's the first prompt is, what is the feature that you want to mirror? So for that, this tab should have been already selected. If it's not, make sure you select it and then select the feature. You can select this feature directly from the clicking on that object itself, or perhaps is the better choice would be, I prefer that you select from the browser. This way you wouldn't miss anything by selecting the wrong feature. So once you finish that, there is no more selection, then switch to mirror plane. Under the mirror plane, now the question is, what is the plane that I have to select for this? If you look to your X, Y, Z axis, here this is our X, Y plane, and the one that I want to have a mirror here is on this left side, and so that would be YZ plane. So to select that, you could expand little arrow here, that is, if you click on the little arrow to the left of the origin, you will see a list of all the planes that we have on the browser. So the one I am going to select is the YZ, so select YZ. And now the green preview on the left shows exactly what the feature would look like. If it's correct, then accept them by selecting the OK tab. And that's all you have to do on a 3D mirror, basically duplicating or creating the mirror image of any 3D feature that you have already created.